Bernardo, here's the thing. Maya and Zoe will surely make you glad. Welcome to our family vlog. Welcome to our family vlog. Welcome to our family vlog. This is the Benitez Buzz.
Hey V fam, welcome back to the Benitez Buzz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I style Maya's hair before she goes to daycare. I'm going to show you, if you hear noise in the background, Zoe's in the bathtub right now, so that's what you hear in the background. Okay, sorry if the frame changed. I promise, like, there has to be a sign on this camera. Every time I turn it on, my kids go bug wild. Let's try this one more time. I'm also going to show you all of the products that I use, the main products that I use, and I will leave a link to all of the products down below in the description box. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and give a big thumbs up to this video because Maya did such a good job holding still and being good while I did her hair and while we recorded her doing her hair. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up for Maya. Let's get into the video. Okay, so Maya just got out of the bathtub. It is also very early in the morning, so if Maya looks halfway tired through a lot of this, it's because she is, and it's early. But she just got out of the bathtub, and she's actually been sitting for a few minutes because I had to do a couple things. So her hair has started to dry up a little bit. I can tell just by kind of feeling through it. So at this point, I want to get it a little more wet, so I'm just going her face. So I'm just going to take a spray bottle of water, and I'm just going to spray the water directly onto her hair while she makes faces. I'm just going to spray the water directly onto her hair to get her hair a little more wet and manageable, so I can do a little bit of detangling before we get started on actually styling her hair. So now that I've applied the water to her hair, I like to go through it a little with my fingers, and then I like to apply the Creme of Nature Argan Oil. It's a leave-in conditioner that I really like because it adds just a really nice, pretty shine to her hair, and it also makes it very easy to get a either wide tooth comb or a detangling brush through her hair. And it's just really good for strengthening your hair, and it's just very convenient that it is a leave-in product. So I really like using that as my first step after I get her hair really wet, because for today we are going to be giving her 2 ponytails, and so I do need to get the brush through her hair in order to get her hair up into the ponytails. So this product just makes it really easy to do that. After I put the product in, I take my detangling brush and I start to detangle her hair, once again starting from the ends of her hair and working my way up to the root of her hair. And so I get all of her hair detangled, and then we go into doing her ponytails. Now I'm just taking a comb and I'm starting from the top of her head, and I'm making a part just directly down the center of her hair to get it sectioned off into 2 separate sides so she can have 2 ponytails while she makes faces. So the next product that I'm going to be using is a new product I just started using that I love, you guys. It's the Creme of Nature Curl Activator. I am so in love with this product. It really just, it does what the title says. It really activates her curls. It elongates her curls so much. She has hair that is very prone to shrink, but I feel like this helps just elongate her hair so much. It smells smells so good. It makes her hair so soft. I'm absolutely in love with this product. So I'm just applying it to her hair now, to the roots of her hair, also to the ends of her hair, to really get that moisturization in her hair. I'm kind of scooping her hair up into the placement of where her ponytail will be, and I'm just starting with one side, and then I'm going to take the detangling brush and just kind of continue to detangle her hair and brush her hair into the placement of where her ponytail is going to be, and really just get that product infused into her hair. Like, you can already see like the difference on the side of her hair that I am working on compared to the other side of her hair. Just really how it's elongating her hair. Her hair just looks super black on that side, just really pretty jet black. You can definitely see her curls starting to pop out. I'm just absolutely in love with this product, you guys, and of course it's going to be down in the description box below. Just the ends of her hair, like, compare it to the other side of her hair, it just really pops her curls out. Just absolutely gorgeous. I love this product. I can't say it enough, as you can see. So now that I'm pretty much happy with the placement of where her ponytail is going to be, I'm just going to take a little small, just kid-friendly scrunchie and put that on her hair to make her ponytail for this side. And here again, you can just see how much the product has just activated her curls. Another reason why I just love it so much. You can definitely see a huge difference. So now that both of her ponytails are in place, I just like to go over the ends of her hair again with the detangling brush now that the curl activator is in it. After the curl activator product is in her hair, and I use the detangling brush, her curls just kind of go exactly into the place that they're supposed to be in. So I just do this for both sides of her hair after I place both ponytails. And then of course, no hairstyle would be complete without laying those baby hairs down. Y'all already know. We hope you all enjoyed this video. We'll see you on our next vlog. Be blessed. Bye.